chapter polynomial, exercise 2.3. Find and other zeros of polynomial 2x cube plus 3x square minus 11x minus 6 if one of its zeros minus 3. Solution: given minus 3 is zero of polynomial, therefore one factor of polynomial is x plus 3 is equal to 0. Read in class 9th. Give the zeros. 3. We find the factors of zeros. X minus 3 is equal to 0. B. Convert to zeros in factors and in factors convert to zeros. Read in class 9th. Same rule apply in this system. Given zeros minus 1, so the factor of polynomials x plus 3. Give the x is equal to b. Put x is equal to minus 3 and transport the value minus 3 side of x, so x plus 3 is equal to 0. X plus 3 is a factor of given polynomial. Given polynomial divide by factors x plus 3. We get quotient 2x square minus 3x minus 2 and remainder is 0. Since x plus 3 is a factor of polynomial, so divide the polynomial by x plus 3, remainder is 0, already 0. Now factorize the quotient 2x square minus 3x minus 2 by breaking rule. 2x square minus 3x minus 2 is equal to 2x square minus 4x plus x minus 2. We get factors 2x plus 1 and x minus 2. Now, given factors put value of given factors, put 0, then x is equal to minus 1 upon 2 and x is equal to 2. So, two other zeros of polynomial are minus 1 upon 2 and 2. Same rule applying the other question of exercise 2.3. In exercise 2.3, question 3 obtain all other zeros of 3x power 4 plus 6x cube minus 2x cube minus 10x minus 5 if two of its zeros are root 5 by 3 and root minus root 5 by 3. Same rule apply in this question. Given question, two zeros are root 5 by 3 and minus root 5 by 3. So two factors of given polynomials are x minus root 5 by 3 and x plus root 5 by 3. Multiply the both factors, we get x square minus 5 by 3. Given polynomial divided by x square minus 5 by 3. We get the remainder and quotient is 0. We get the sum remainder. We get the sum quotient and remainder 0. Now factorize the quotient and find the other two zeros, or find the value of x by both factors. It is other type of question 4. It is set up as the rule of read in 4th, 5th and 6th. Dividend is equal to divisor into quotient plus remainder. Give the 4 values, 3 values, dividend, quotient and remainder. It is putting the rule of dividend is equal to divisor into quotient plus remainder and solve this is polynomial. Find the value of gx. Gx as the divisor of polynomial. The end.